You see those wallet figures? Wild, right? And yeah, I know what you're thinking. How do I snag even a piece of that? Don't stress. I'm here to break it all down for you, from launch to exit, so you can cash out clean and heavy. Before we start the full step by step, I gotta be real with you. If you're using Pump Fund to launch, you're already setting yourself up for failure. Let's do this the smart way and chase some actual heavy gains. Jump onto Photon, switch the filter to Pump Fund X, and you'll notice a flood of meme coins dropping every second. But they disappear just as quick. That's because Pump Fund's been overrun. Literally anyone can toss up a token now. Alright, with Radium now filtered in, look at the difference. Far fewer tokens are going live. Usually only one coin is launched each minute. But the demand? It's wild. Check out the liquidity numbers if you don't believe me. Completely blows Pump Fund out of the water. Why? Radium forces devs to know how to code, so most lazy launches get weeded out. That's the edge here. Let's jump into the steps. I came across Launch Tool not long ago, and no joke, it's the biggest cheat code I've seen. It's nuts. You can drop a coin on Radium with zero coding skills, which makes it crazy simple for beginners. A couple of clicks and you're already set. For the past month, this thing has been my personal ATM, and it's still doing its magic. So listen, you need a logo that looks really good and instantly grabs attention, making buyers want to invest within seconds. I always recommend going with trending themes you can find on social media. This time, I'm choosing the funny shocked Pikachu meme, which has been trending lately. Go ahead and launch Canva. Set your canvas to 128 by 128, fix up anything minor you want, and hit save. Couldn't get smoother if you tried. What you'll want to do next is head to Launch Tool. Start by entering all your coin's basic info. I'm naming this one Shocked Pika, with the ticker Shocked. For the description, just add something fun that fits your project. But this time, my mind is very blank, so I've got nothing creative to put in. Then just upload the logo you finished earlier and hit next. Now we're looking at the tokenomics section. Good news, it's already perfectly set up. That 1 billion token supply, trust me, we'll be using that soon. Once more, just press next. You'll land on the Modify Creator info page. Here's the catch, it costs 0.1 sol if you edit anything. Straight up, that's not a smart use of funds. I always just turn it off and skip ahead. You'll then get the chance to add social media links. Personally, I never use that. It's totally optional. So I'm skipping again. Now this next part is really important. Heads up, tweaking these settings could ruin everything. You're probably thinking, why's that? Well, here's the thing. Disabling Revoke Freeze gives you power to block all trades. And don't even get me started on the other options. You can already see how bad things can get with just that one. If investors spot any of these turned off, they'll avoid your token entirely, and that means no buys, no trust, no traction. Leave everything untouched and go ahead and click on Launch My Token. Give it a moment. Your wallet will show up in just a second. Simply confirm the transaction as usual. That's it. Super simple. After that, you can double check all your token info. I'm going to look it up on SoulScan real quick, since I don't care about the other options given. Boom. It's there, fully live on the network. But there's a small step left before it's tradable. We still need to handle that part. Just return to Launch Tool and select the Create Liquidity Pool option. You'll be redirected straight to Radium. First thing, connect your wallet up here. Then we need to set your coin as the base token. Tap the token field, head back to Launch Tool, copy your token address, and paste it in the search box right under where it says Select the Token. Next up, enter the proper coin information. For me, I'm going with Shocked as the symbol and Shocked Pika for the name. Click Add User Token, and then click your token again to lock it in. You'll want to input 900 million, pretty standard out of that 1 billion supply for meme coins. Choose Solana as the quote token in this step. Since you're the very first buyer of your coin, you can hit the max button with no risk at all. Just subtract 0.2 sol upfront. That's the liquidity creation fee. Radium makes it super clear with those yellow highlighted words. Out of all the available fee tier options, make sure to pick 2%. That way, you get the most profit from each order. After you've filled everything out, click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm the transaction, and boom, your coin is now tradable on the market. Open up Photon, and you'll notice that our token is officially listed. With that confirmed, it's time to check the live chart. Go to dexscreener.com and just click any token that shows up. Give it a second to load everything. Now switch back to Launch Tool, grab your token's address, and paste it over the random one in the browser on DexScreener. Press Enter. And there it is. Your chart is now live. At the bottom, you'll see some buy orders already, but those are mostly bots doing their thing. Forget about that for now. Let's be patient and wait until something hits the order book. Oh, nice. First order came in already, and it only took a few minutes. That one was $52, which equals out to 0.34 Sol. Still, I'm curious what else is coming, so I'll wait. And there it is. Second order just came in at 0.98 Sol. Take a second and check the stats. Liquidity's at $854. Market cap is $1,000. I think we'll see those rise if we give it just a little more time. That's definitely a win. And the best part? You don't even need to market this thing. You can run this exact method over and over again. I told you it's a crazy strategy. We still have to wait a bit, so there's nothing else to do. Let's just take a look at the chart. Wow, that's a 270%. And guys, there is our third buy order already. It's nearly $70 in value, and it's 0.4 Solana. That's insane. Now check this. Look at how much the market cap and liquidity jumped. From $850 and $1,000 just minutes ago to $893 and $1,100. And the token's only been paired for 20 minutes. These results are unreal. Dude, no way. Our fourth $100 buy just came through about 20 seconds ago. All right, I'm done here. Time to cash out those sweet gains. Head over to Radium, connect your wallet, and hit the standard option at the bottom. Click the little minus button right here. Slide it up to 100% so you're removing it all. Just focus on the Sol value since that's what you're collecting. Press Remove Liquidity. Confirm the pop-up. And done. You'll see the confirmation message, and that means the money's officially yours. I love this part so much. Just tap into Phantom and take it in. I started with $250 and ended up scoring $254 in profit to be exact. But hey, let me be clear about something. I'm not connected to Launch Tool, Photon, or Radium in any way. Everything shown here is purely for educational content. This strategy is honestly next level, but nothing lasts forever. If you're going to make a move, do it while it still works.